Okay, everyone, welcome back. It's been a very long time, and I'm very apologetic for my absence. Life happens, life is good. A very young family, and yeah, it's good to be back. I'm just throwing out this video of this brand new watch that just came out, and there's not too many videos of it online, so hopefully we can get into it and I can share it, and you guys tell me what you think. Hopefully it's not too much of a mission to unbox here, but so we got that, and there's a Helm card in there, so no secrets here. Very nice touch, and I'm glad they're still doing this. This is going to be my 6th Helm in the collection, and my first time trying the Erica's kind of original take, or Helm's take on the Erica's original. So let's see how painful this is going to be. Usually the ones in the past were very hard to come off. This one doesn't seem so bad. I don't want to rip it. I have 2 or 3 that are ripped. Probably should have skipped this part for the video, but if you know, you know. These are the struggles of the Helm packaging. All right. So they came out with 3 models. Well, they're all the same model. They're called the Togiak. There's an Expedition, there's a UTC, and there's a Scout, which is they're taking a field watch. The Expedition and the UTC have bezels, and the Scout has it's just like a bigger dial with no bezel. And yeah, so we'll see which one I went with. I put my name down on one of them instead of all 3. So you get a nice Helm cloth. Sure, everyone knows what's in here. I'm pretty sure it's warranty card. There's a couple of stickers, and here's the model. So this is the Expedition Togiak. I went with the ribbed gray NATO, and obviously it's all fully titanium, which is cool. This looks new. I've never received this in a Helm package before. So that looks like a screwdriver and pin pusher. That's awesome. Hopefully, I don't recognize before, but hopefully this one has drilled lugs. Yeah, just like all the other Helms, drilled lugs. And that's really nice. 42 by 49 by, I believe, by 14. So very good. It's super light already on this NATO strap. So let's get this out of here. Really excited. It probably doesn't sound like that right now on the video, but I have been waiting for a new Helm watch for a very long time. I'll bring some other ones here into the picture as well. So we got the Vanuatu titanium. Sorry for the lighting. Okay. We have the Kuriburi titanium, Miyako stainless steel, and another Kuriburi in stainless steel, and then wrist check. I have the Komodo right now on wrist. So huge fan of the brand. Huge fan of the brand. As you can see, these get a lot of wear. These are like daily wears. So there's always a Helm on wrist. My very first one was the Vanuatu titanium. Then I got the Miyako. Then the white Kuriburi. Then the white Komodo. And finally, the last one was the blue Kuriburi in stainless steel. So really, obviously, love the company. Like I said, really excited. They make amazing value for money watches. They regulate the movement. They everything is ISO rated, so it's super fantastic. Super nice to have another one in the collection. And yeah, check out that dial. I'm gonna take a spin here on the bezel, and as usual, very, very nice. Everything lines up. I just run with the basic bezel. I find that I use that one the most. I'm not much of a traveler, but I do time many things throughout the day, at work, at home, at the park. Just always timing things. My son likes to play at the park, and timing break schedules at work, and a whole bunch of stuff like that. So yeah, really nice, really cool. Let's check the case back here really quick. Yeah, really nice. So Helm Expedition NH36 Auto, and all titanium. Love the topography kind of case back. Really nice. Let me show you another case back here, as Helm does some really nice case backs. The one in particular that everyone loves is the Miyako. So you get really nice engraving, kind of wave pattern with the polished and brushed effects. Super nice. Really cool. Love this Miyako on this stretchy Ericas, and it's gonna also look really well with the one that came with the watch as well, which is why I got it. So I think that khaki color is gonna match nicely with the indices. So really cool. Really excited about this. And yeah, really grippy knurled crown, knurled bezel, which is very grippy. And yeah, super excited for it. Let me get it on wrist. And then I'm probably gonna size the bracelet, because I do love Helm on a NATO, but you have the watch in titanium. It's very special and very satisfying on bracelet as well. For such big diameter and big lug to lug. Like, these watches aren't small, but because of the titanium, they're fantastic to wear. Just a treat on wrist all the time. So for reference, 6.5 inch wrist, sorry, 6 3/4 inch wrist. I do construction for a living, and these watches get worn, and yeah, that is absolute perfection on wrist. I didn't honestly care what strap I got. I have, I think, almost all the color straps. So you guys can let me know down in the comments what strap you want to see it on. And if you're really into Helm, you can put your name on the list, and they're in production right now. They're shipping them out. This only took 2 weeks, I think, not even, for it to ship out. And just a little bit on the brand, they're out of North Carolina, and all the production is done in Hong Kong. And yeah, just amazing watches, amazing value for money. Beautiful case, the brushing, you can see the transition there in the light. But yeah, let me know in the comments what color strap you want to see on this, and if you want, you can also, I'm also the admin for the Helm Facebook group, so look for us on Facebook, and there's a few questions. Join the group, and you can see all the watches and all the pictures on Facebook. All right, cheers, have a good one.